呢度咧係俾擺冷氣嘅
A pré-instalação e as máquinas também é tudo.
好中意啲 builder 咧咁乾淨企理咯嚇，我都未見過啲 building site 咁乾淨。
In this bedroom, the AC unit will be over there.
哦，呢
above the
度
door.
又係個冷氣咯，將會 OK install 冷氣嘅。咁啊，呢度都係個冷氣個喉嘅位置。冷氣機將會係3層喎。窗咧係將會手動嘅窗咯，即係嗰個閘嚇嗰個窗閘係會手動嘅，但係全部都係新。You know the grey stain underneath the window. What is that?
This.
呢度個灰色嘅塵。Is it dirty or what?
No, this is some
Condensation?
yeah,
Yes,
condensation.
condensation.
Because this house must be closed for
A long time.
a
Okay.
period,
Yeah.
and the poor ventilation originates that. Okay.
So what do we do to stop it? Like it's not like a leak or anything, right?
No, it's not the leak.
Okay. So do we just like would you paint some kind of like anti-mold
Yes.
paint on
Yes,
it?
yes,
Yeah.
yes. In these walls, yes.
即係話咧，佢頭先睇到嗰啲影子咧，佢話因為咧間屋咧好耐冇開嘅，佢將會咧油咗佢咯。但係佢唔係一個漏水嘅，只不過咧係因為好耐冇開窗，佢有啲condensation 喺入邊嘅啫。每一間房都有
The angles and the design of the interior.
有
Olha, já estava com prateleiras.
衣櫃，落地衣櫃。So that's in each room, right?
What?
In each bedroom.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
We have this one here. In
Yeah,
here,
I noticed 啊，
and that one there.
每一間房都有落地衣
All the
櫃，
bedrooms
有一兩
have
個，
wardrobes.
3個。
For the lamps, the table, two tables side. Não dá para aqui,
個
não.
燈㗎，
Eu aqui acho que não está.
電掣。
Deixa-me ver ali.
This is for the TV, right?
Yes, we can also have
I didn't
let
see.
me.
First phase is like demolish and preparing the layout.
And the
of
pipes.
And
The groundwork,
The
yeah,
water pipes.
the second phase, it's
Yeah.
like start to applying some materials like
Tiles.
tiles, bathrooms,
Yes.
appliances in the bathroom,
Plaster in the walls,
plaster in the walls.
sand in the walls,
Yeah.
and the ceramic tiles.
The third phase, we can say like the
Finish.
carpenters,
Carpentry.
the wardrobes, the
Yeah.
doors,
Yeah.
and the
And the
final
last
Fireware.
paint.
Yeah.
the windows also.
Yeah.
The windows I think could be in the middle term between phase 2 and phase 3.
Yeah.
Yes.
And basically, it will be like this.
So
The
from
division of the
now-
works.
Would you say how long would that take, phase 2 and 3?
We have today almost 1 month of works.
Yes.
And we are,
The prediction here is 4 months.
yes.
4個月
So
嘅工
I
程
would。say that maybe 2 weeks to complete
The phase one.
this phase 1. Then
Yeah.
they will start the phase 2. 1 month and a half for the
Yes.
phase 2, and another month and a half for
Okay.
the phase
To
3
phase three,
to complete
yes,
the 4 months
yes.
of work.
Philip was saying
哦，
to
因為有張
change.
床會喺呢度咁向出嚟咧，佢會改一改個掣咯，應該要兩邊咯嚇，唔係一邊。呢個係
To have the
Connect to the machine.
俾冷氣喉通過嘅。
Só
OK。
garantir que eles
廚房都有個假天花，
Mil milhas. Yes.
呢個係假天花。
Eu acho que ainda fazemos aqui mais uma forma.
廚房嘅假天花嘅
Para fechar.
裝修公司咧，點解我哋會用呢一間裝公司咧？佢哋都會可以保持準時嘅裝修時期，係因為咧佢哋有自己嘅木工場，咁咧佢哋會買大量嘅原木嘅材料咧，咁落嚟咧係自己去切嘅，咁所以咧有啲咧細啲嘅裝修師傅咧，我哋發現咧最近疫情咧就會登慢咗嗰個裝修時期，係因為佢哋冇唔夠要喺出邊訂啲家私啊，或者訂啲櫃啊過嚟，咁咧要等咯，係要等有段時間。但係如果當佢有自己原木嘅話咧，可以自己做嗰個櫥櫃咧，咁咧佢就會慳即係慳咗好多時間，同埋佢哋會做保證可以準時交貨咯嚇。